Want to cook restaurant-quality Norwegian salmon that's crispy, flaky, and ready in minutes? Let's get started. You only need a few simple ingredients. 2 beautiful Norwegian salmon fillets. Look for that vibrant color. Olive oil, salt, pepper, a lemon, and fresh dill. Step 1 is the most important. Pat the salmon completely dry. This is the secret to incredibly crispy skin. Season both sides generously with salt and pepper. Heat your pan over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Then add your olive oil. Place the salmon skin side down. And here's the key. Don't touch it. Let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. You'll see the color turn opaque halfway up the side. Gently flip and cook for just 1 more minute. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a burst of flavor. Take it off the heat and let it rest for a few minutes. This keeps it juicy and tender throughout. And that's it. Perfectly seared Norwegian salmon with crispy skin and a moist, flaky center. An easy, healthy, and delicious meal any night of the week. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy recipes every week. Share it with a friend who loves good food. Thanks for watching.